I'm out here at this chicken coop, and I was just about to put that in the nesting box since there was nothing in there. But there's an egg. Another one that I know exactly which one it's from because this girl right here. See how she's like that? She's like that whole time. She's actually going up in the nesting box and sitting in there and stuff. But yeah, that's great. Hopefully within a week or two, all three of them will start laying consistently every day. And then we'll be getting 7 eggs a day from these guys and those guys combined. So yeah, let's go collect this egg. Oh, it's another small one, but these chickens are barely full grown, and they're also supposed to lay smaller eggs, so, but yeah, that's great.